Just fine, huh, Alex?
Right, I know. And today is really our one day, and then tomorrow morning, and then we're going to be warming up after that. Although tomorrow afternoon is still kind of cool with highs around 60, but we're really talking about that winter cold tonight and tomorrow morning, freezing or frost conditions away from the immediate city, the metro area, and our coastal spots. So layer up, protect plants, pets, and people. Here's our freeze warning. So this is new coming in this evening to tomorrow morning. We're talking about north of the lake, just to get a little more specific here, 25 to about 30. So that's a light to when you get toward 25, that's kind of a moderate freeze. So we're not talking about pipe concerns, but if you are farther north, Bogalusa, Poplarville into Mississippi, you might hit that 25 or 26. And so you are looking at the concern maybe for probably not bursting your pipes, but 6 to 8 hours of freezing. You might want to just kind of get them insulated if you haven't done that, just in case. Now, if you're away from the city off to the west, you're looking at 28 to 33. That's solidly light freeze kind of range. So you might hit freezing briefly for an hour or two, or maybe just get close, mid-30s, getting some frost because our winds will be calming down, allowing that frost to form tonight, even though we didn't see that last night for most spots. And then if you're right along the coast, you're talking about mostly 40s or upper 30s. And in the city of New Orleans, no freeze is expected. Our immediate metro area spots, New Orleans East, West Bank, and so forth. A little isolated frost is not completely out of the question when you get toward 37. But if you're a little bit above that, you really can't see frost when you get to temperatures around 40. It's more like below 37 that you see some frost. So those are our concerns for tonight. Here is just a model prediction of tomorrow morning's lows: 20s north, 30s south, and again, getting very cold north of the lake. In fact, that would be record cold for Slidell. The record there for tonight is 34, so I certainly think we're going to make a record there with temperatures anywhere below 34 would be our record for tomorrow's morning's low. South of the lake in the city, the record is actually 31 at the Kenner Airport, so we're not going to make a record there. Not quite as cold, of course, south of the lake. Our forecast for today is just temperatures in the 50s. It's actually a really pretty day. You saw that humidity very low. Our dew points in the 20s. Here are current temperatures only around 50, and our winds are certainly breezy, up to 20 miles per hour and gusting near 30 for some locations. You can see those will gradually calm down tonight, and our temperatures will be dropping too. This is south of the lake, getting into the 40s for this evening. Also, with low humidity and with strong winds, we actually have one of these, a red flag warning. Not common to see this in South Louisiana because of our generally humid climate. But until 6 p.m., we do have this: no outdoor burning is recommended because of the fire concern. That fire would be able to spread quickly with these kind of conditions, plus our ongoing drought conditions. So tonight, north 20s, south of the lake in the 30s. Protect pets, plants, check on people, make sure they're okay. Checking out our forecast for the rest of the week, here's that cold core quickly swinging away from us off to the northeast. Here we are warming up by the middle of the week, and then we're also looking ahead to next weekend. Here comes another low dropping in and maybe swinging across our area with some showers and thunderstorms. Now, timing for this weekend is not certain yet, but I would plan on kind of keeping an eye on Saturday night and early Sunday. That's what the timing looks like right now, but obviously we're several days out. Keep in mind, we might also see a few strong to possibly severe storms with this next weekend front. So that, after we get through this Arctic blast, will be our next big concern. We'll keep you updated.